Alright, so here's the packages we're getting from Stryker today. And we're going to unbox this Pro 500 and show you guys what's all inside this boat. Alright, so we just opened up this top box here, and this contains our floors. And it also contains 3 bench seats and a set of floor stringers. So on the first box we opened here, we got a very high quality floor storage bag. And then we've got our aluminum floors with the EVA foam on the front, on the tops. And then comes with 3 benches and a set of floor stringers. Now let's unbox the boat and see everything that comes inside of this one. Remember to take caution when opening the box here, because there is a boat on the inside. What do we got in this side box here? We got what have we got here? Alright, so we got owner's manual. Perfect. And then we got side paddles. Look at that. Ooh, another set of paddles. Oh, bench cushion. A little side pocket storage bag. 2 of them? Wow. Foot pump. That's pretty standard. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got 2 kits, okay. 2 kits. What else? What else does this come with? What's this? What's this? Oh, some rod holders. Ooh. Fancy dancy. Fancy dancy. Oh, some spare fabric. What else we got here? Ooh, another one's manual. Okay. What else we got? Just what's included? Koi. Alright. Is that it? Anything else hidden in here? Nope, just gotta pull the boat out now. Oh, I found a bow storage bag in here. Oh, I wonder what else I can find in here while unpacking this box. Alright, let's unbag this boat and see what we got. Again, I have to turn it around. There she is. She's a heavy bitch. Well, let's inflate her, stretch her out so we can put the floors in nice and easy. Now that the boat's all inflated, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little while, stretch out a bit, so it'll be a little bit easier to put those floors in. So now that I've got the rear stern stringers set in place, I'm going to have to take a rubber mallet and kind of hammer them back or slide them back, so this way we can fit the front stringers in and they line up nicer. Now that we've got the floors all in and lined up, let's inflate the boat to its pressure and start assembling it. So while the boat is still partially deflated here, I'm going to put the bench seats in. Now that I have the bench seats in, I'm going to inflate the boat to its operating pressure and install the other accessories. Now I'm going to assemble these paddles and get them installed. Now let's install this bow bag, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. And would you look at that? I did it. Installing the bow cushion is a snap. Plenty of storage pockets in the storage bag underneath the cushion there. Now let's install these side storage bags. It's a snap installing these side cushion bags, I tell you. And here she is, folks. All assembled, ready to hit the seas. These boats come equipped with the Bravo style push valves. These Stryker boats come in Rescue Red, Black and Stormy Gray. They're very nice boats. Very well equipped for the price. They are available at our store. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy boating, everybody.